Welcome back to Wiring Products. Today we are going to wire up a surf and turf rocker switch. Okay, with these switches, these are surf and turf, and these are good for automotive use and for marine use. Inside the switch, in the body of the switch, there is a gasket, a liner in here that makes this waterproof. This is an on-on switch, so when you flip it to one side, it's going to power one accessory, and when you flip it to the other, it's going to power your other accessory. You have your accessory, your power, and your accessory, and I'm going to hook up one of my accessories first. Really, I am. And then I'm going to hook up my power, my battery switch, my power source, and then I'm going to hook up my other accessory, and these are 1/4 inch. I'm pushing on a 1/4 inch push on terminal. Because this is a constantly on switch, one of the accessories is constantly on. The moment I give it power, one of my accessories is going to turn on. So hold on, I'm going to give it power. And you see it's on this side of the switch. It's powering this terminal over here, and it's going to this light. And then when I push the on position on the other side, you're going to see that it's going to power this terminal over here. It's that one. You got on one side, and you got on the other side. There is no off on this until you actually take the entire power source away from it. But it's a pretty nice switch. This whole line is pretty nice. And that is how you wire an on surf and turf rocker switch. For more information, come to wiringproducts.com.